So today I'm excited. I'm finally getting a chance to unbox several boxes that I've had to unbox. And hi, and welcome to the Rolling Studio. It's been a while, and I am trying to get out videos before I go back to work. I've been sick with the flu for about 3 weeks now, and each time I go back, they're still diagnosing me with the flu B. So I got to go back to work. So whether I've got it or not, I've got to get back to work. It's just the way it is. But anyway, I wanted to do a couple of unboxings that I have not been able to do since I've been home. And so yeah, let's get to it. This is some crystals, and I'm going to move this box so that I can pull them out and show them on my table a little easier. So we're going to unbox these crystals together because I just got into purchasing crystals, and I'm probably going to be reselling these. So they were bought at a wholesale price, and so I am not sure what crystal is what. I'm going to have to look them up if I don't know them. I try to know all of the ones that I got, but it's done in a fashion where you kind of don't get a choice. It's kind of a random pick. I don't know if y'all have heard of the place, but it's called, well, I can't even remember. I have to wait till I get to the bottom of the box to see if they put a card in there. But they really wrap them up good. You can see that they are definitely wrapped well and shipped well. They do come from China. I know that much. Here we go. Oh, yes. That looks like some sort of an agate. And this is a hand-carved, what looks like should be a clover maybe. Maybe that's what they were going for. I'm not real sure. Here's a hand-carved with some druzy in it. This looks like some kind of a banded agate with druzy. And oh, I got the little hand-carved owl. And I think this is moss agate, but I'm not 100% sure. So they are real, in fact, crystals. That's one. Let me open another one here. Man, they're really packed. Let me pause this while it looks like we've got, ooh, oh, look at that. That is a spear with some druzy crystals in it. Let me see. Here we go. It's got druzy, it's got oh, there's little crystals inside of there. I don't know if you can see that, but there we go. Look like little crystal eggs. That is beautiful. I think that's bloodstone, but I'm not real 100% sure. And here is an amethyst sphere. Pretty good sized sphere. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful amethyst sphere. All right. Got to get another one out. Okay, let's reveal some more. This is a moss agate with druzy heart. Absolutely beautiful. And here is some rose quartz bracelet. This is lapis, a little tower, a little lapis tower. There's some Howlite towers. Oh, this one looks like, I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up to see what kind of stone that is. It's another tower. I got lots of towers here. That one I think is Crazy Lace. Another Howlite tower. And another Lapis tower. So I got lots of towers out of that round. Got this bubble wrap in a mess here. Oh, got another one to open up. Let's unravel this one. Ooh, that looks like a Dalmatian stone. That's what that looks like to me. That's beautiful. This looks like a little Chinese star. It's rose quartz. That's pretty. Another one of these hand-carved, what might be gears. It could be gears. Maybe that's what they meant that to be. I'm not real sure. And then another apple. That one's smaller though. Beautiful agate quartz. And let's see what else is in here. I think that was a gift for purchase. Oh, this is the gift for the purchase. It's a moon. Oh my goodness, that is a moss agate moon. That is absolutely gorgeous. Look how big that is. It's huge. That is a hand-carved moon in moss agate. That is beautiful. Wow. Okay, I believe that one was a gift for the purchase. This one might have been gifted too as part of the purchase. I got another one to open. Okay, this is, I think, an avitrine moon. I believe that is an avitrine moon. But somebody took a bite out of it. I think they should have carved it a little deeper to give more of a moon structure. But it is what it is. Oh, what is that? Ooh, that's beautiful. I'm not sure what that is, but it looks like some sort of a banded agate. Almost a tiger's eye. Like a red. Maybe it's red jasper, tiger's eye or something. I don't know. Red jasper or tiger's eye. That's what I meant to say. Here is another freeform avitrine. Here is a heart's rose quartz. Here is another heart. Looks like some sort of agate. Another heart. Okay. Some sort of beautiful quartz of some sort. Here's a little kitty cat. Aw. Got a little hand-carved cat. That's cute. And, oops. Dropped something. What was that? Oh, a star. It looks like a broken star. That one's broken. Not very good there, you guys. So, not too cool to have a broken piece like that. I can deal with a lot of it, but that one's pretty broke. They should have replaced that one. All right, one more. Okay, so I'm going to unroll this. It's the last one in the batch. Looks like another lapis tower. Another, I'm not sure, crazy lace possibly. Another howlite. tower. Another lapis tower. I could have swore I had 2 of these coming to me, and I'm only seeing 1. That does not make me very happy. Beautiful, unpolished, looks like moon quartz. And it's very open and airy. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Because you can see the druzy all inside. It's a gorgeous piece. And they wax it to save the tip. So the tip's been waxed. And I'm not sure which kind of stone this was, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's a bluish green, like a seafoam green. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love this one. And I actually thought I should have had 2 of these, but I know for a fact there should have been 2 of these amethyst spheres, and I'm only seeing 1. That does not make me very happy. So, and no, I did not get a card, but I am remembering, I think it was called Highland Crystals. Yeah, this was Highland Crystals. Last time they put cards in there, and they didn't put cards in this shipment, but I do have other pieces. But I know for sure there was 2 spheres in amethyst, and I only got 1, so that does not make me very happy. But nonetheless, they're very beautiful. I love them, and I may be doing a resale on some of these. I sold some at the paint and sip with Steph that I did. I had my first live paint and sip session. It went very well, and we really enjoyed it. Everybody knew that it was my first time, so everyone was gentle with me, and we had a lot of fun. But let me just go ahead and show you some of the other crystals that I had gotten previous to. That's one of those. I think it was ocean jasper. And then this one was an ocean jasper butterfly. We have the moss agate tower with druzy. This is that pink crazy lace right here. Here was the sphere. It was the moonstone natural sphere. So I had 2 spheres there. This one is a moss agate with druzy. This is from another shipment I did not show as a haul. The howlite tower, the avitrine tower. I don't guess we labeled that one. It's some kind of a quartz. I'm not sure. But I also have some of my gemstones. I have the tree, this rose quartz tree. I have an egg. This was the unpolished jade egg. Yeah, sliced agate. That's what I was trying to say earlier. Here's a howlite, the white howlite tower. So you may be seeing some of these for sale in the future. This is a not for sale. This is my personal. Oh, I love it. This is the, I don't know why I can't think of what it is. I know what it is. Let's see. The labradorite stone. Yeah. And this is a labradorite stone also. So I have already been selling these, but this is an amethyst tower. But I have not showed them on my YouTube channel. More avitrine. We've got some, I think this is the ocean jasper or crazy lace jasper. Might be crazy lace jasper. And we got some of these individual little stones here. And then, of course, I have these crystal agates that I have gotten elsewhere that I'm selling as well as these cabochons. I do have cabochons and natural agate slice pendants, and they have drilled holes in them. I've got, this is the Picasso jasper. That's Picasso jasper. Got fancy stone, avitrine, just all kinds of stones. And I'm going to, this is my stone collection. And I'm going to be putting these in here. And all these will be for sale in the future or at private events that we do. I've been doing the paint and sip, or if I do a jewelry show, these will be laid out on my table for purchase. I love that. I really thought there was supposed to be 2 of them, but you know, it is what it is. And this is these agate owls. I think this was the moss agate. They're cute though. Snow owls. So all of this is, I love this one. Gosh, I can't remember the name of that one. I'll have to look it up. But these are all my crystals that I have been purchasing. I'm going to put this in my jewelry collection because that's rose quartz. Just stick that right there. Okay, so these are in fact my crystals, and there's quite a bit of them, and I will be selling these either auction style or online or private. I haven't decided, but if you're interested in purchasing one, let me know. We got howlite, lapis, and some others, and we'll go from there. I can't remember the name of this blue one, but it's absolutely gorgeous. This one I might not sell. I might keep that one for myself. I just love it. But I do have a few spheres. I plan to get more crystals, but right now we're just starting out, and we're just going to see how it goes and where we go from there. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.